Healthy West Australians are being warned against using face masks to protect themselves against coronavirus. A safety video is going viral, showing how ineffective some can be as the nation struggles with a surgical mask shortage.
It's the safety video going viral. An Argentinian firefighter with a deodorant can, simulating a sneeze or cough. It's feared coronavirus could travel in the air, like deodorant does in aerosols. This demonstration showing most face masks are useless at trapping or blocking moisture, unless they're the N95 grade.
No pasa.
Yet across Perth, people are wearing them, some surgical, some homemade. The state government's advice in line with the World Health Organisation. Unless you have symptoms of COVID-19, don't wear one.
To wear them as a perfectly fit and healthy person in the street is not going to provide you with any greater level of protection.
Unless thoroughly disinfected and cleaned, experts say homemade masks can even be dangerous.
They will soak up moisture very easily and can easily infect someone wearing them.
Masks with respirators, also known as N95 surgical masks, should be reserved for healthcare workers.
You certainly shouldn't be using up precious PPE simply to make your way around the streets.
Nationwide, there's a shortage, and only one manufacturing plant in Australia makes them. Medcon in Victoria, which has gone from producing 2 million masks a year to almost 2 million a week, exclusively for those frontline workers.
Even those really good masks are still letting maybe about 5% of very fine aerosol through.
The best way to mask the disease remains.
And practice social distancing.
Darius Winterfield, 9 News.